Hi guys, it is Nicole here, founder and CEO of Exposed Media Group. I am recording this video because I discovered something really exciting today. It is a feature in Google Calendar. I have G Suite. I bet you this is also available in regular unpaid free Gmail. And I'll verify that at the end of this video. So let's go to this settings menu here. I'm going to show you how to add different time zones to show up simultaneously on your calendar. This is super beneficial if you have clients in other time zones, meetings in other time zones. As you know, the world is becoming more and more connected with technology, and especially with the function of Zoom and GoToMeetings for virtual webinars and meeting platforms. It's really challenging to be sure that you're staying up to date on the time zones, especially when they change. Now, I am in Mountain Standard Time, Arizona, which is different than regular Mountain Standard Time, which changes. My Arizona Mountain Standard Time does not change, but everybody else changes, and so oftentimes I have missed numerous meetings by not realizing the time change. So you're going to log into your Google Calendar and go to the cog image in the upper right hand corner and select settings. Now right here in this time zone, you are able to display a secondary time zone. I don't think you can do any more than one additional, so you're going to have to select your most popular alternate time zone that you would want to view. It might be helpful for you to add Eastern if you're not already in Eastern, because that is a frequently used time zone. So right here, I am defaulted to Arizona Mountain Standard Time, basically Phoenix time. So I'm going to label this Nicole. Next, I'm going to select a secondary time zone. I'm going to actually select a client of mine's time zone, which is also Mountain Standard Time, but she lives in Colorado. So what we're going to do is find, let's find Denver. Mountain Standard Time, Creston, Dawson Creek, Fort Nelson, Phoenix. She is actually in Denver. Here we go. Mountain Time, Denver. And I'm going to write her name in here. Asked to update my primary time zone to current location. I am already in Arizona. I don't travel quite frequently, but I'll leave that checked in the case that I do travel. I can also show world clock. I'm going to add that to add time zone. Let's do another. Actually, my coach, my mentor, lives in where does he live? What is the country capital? It's not Dallas. Oh my gosh, I am just drawing a blank. I'm going to pause this video 1 second. I remembered. It is Nashville. Nashville, Tennessee. As you can tell, I am not in the music industry. Okay, so we're going to go to Central, and he is in Nashville. I think there were several Central Standard Time. These are all out of the country. I wish you could stop me if you saw it. Nashville. Let's see. Weird. All of these time zones, and I don't even see it in here. These are all basically around the world. Moscow. Now I'm just looking because I'm curious. Okay, so let's go back up here and find. He's not in Costa Rica. Nope, nope, nope. North Dakota, Chicago. I'm just going to select Chicago for now. There we go. Add time zone. I'm going to select New York. That is a very popular one, especially for international calls. They always go off of Eastern Time, New York. So let's see. Cancun. Nebraska. Why am I not? Oh, I might as well add Los Angeles. Why am I not finding? Just got a text from my daughter. 1 second. Okay. Well, for the sake of this video, thank you so much if you're still here with me. We're going to change it to Los Angeles time. It's always good to have a West Coast time on there. Okay. Default settings, duration of my meetings is 60 minutes. Okay, I'm not going to customize any of the other features right now. And it auto saves. So there's no save button that you need to click. Go back to your calendar, and this is what you're going to see. In the left-hand column where it lists the time, as you can see, I've got my son's football practice today. I have had other meetings today. We've got a 6 p.m. start time for Nicole in Phoenix Mountain Standard Time. And then I can see, oh, Lauren is going to be an hour ahead of me at all times until her time changes. So you can also see here to the left of that column is the time zones that I've added for world clock. It's pretty rad. So right now in Chicago it's 7:20, in LA it's 5:20, which is essentially the same time as me, but that's not always the case. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please let me know in the comments if there's something that you can't figure out and you would love somebody to start diving in and find a better way to make your life easier. That's what I'm here for. Have a beautiful day. Until next time, take care.